Hey, welcome back, Sneakerheads. Welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, we just want to come at you live. I just got these in the mail today. We're going to do a little unboxing on
What you
that Yeezy
got?
day drop.
What you got, baby? Hey,
So we
so
already
hold on,
unboxed one too, because so it has to be one of the fours,
hold on, hold
either
on, hold on,
homeowner or
hold on,
350.
hold on,
So
hold on, hold on, hold up. So you saying Special K came through again?
he came through again for Father's Day.
Hey, Special K, did Special K come through again
Yeah,
for
he came
Father's
through for
Day?
Father's Day.
Hey, hey, come on, you gotta clap that up, man. You gotta clap that up. Right on, right on. You know we know him as Special K. That's how
So I
we know
already
him.
got a little sneak peek, at 350.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not the 350s.
So
Not the
let's see.
350s. Let's
So the
see
colorway
what.
reads Onyx, black Onyx. Size 10, my size.
Oh.
You open these up, all black. Can't go wrong with these.
Mm. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So like I said, I don't
Yeah.
have any 350s. So to get these for retail, I'm very excited about this. All black.
Mm. They ready.
Can't go
They
wrong.
okay. That's what's up. That's what's up.
I know
Mm.
we're still waiting for your zebras to come in, but hey,
Hey, when they do come in, we'll be doing an unboxing of those as well.
you know it.
So, right. So, appreciate you guys tuning in. But if you like content like this, hey, check out that video.
And like we say it for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.